All right, so I got my CR 250 after the fresh rebuild. Gonna take it out for the first time. I did 3 heat cycles. Well, I mean 2 heat cycles and a test ride. So everything should be good. Fresh plug, clean air filter. Everything is torqued down. Everything should be good. Even added my hour meter. So I got 0, and I'm ready to ride it. I'm curious about the jetting. I've been getting a lot of splooge, even though I feel like I'm pretty lean. 380, 400 is recommended. I'm down to a 370 and the bike still feels a little rich. I did discover that I had a flywheel weight. I took that off, and I haven't rode it without that. So I'm curious how it's going to ride without that. I know it's probably not ideal for, you can't see the trails, but for woods riding. But I want to experience without it. I could always just throw it back on. It's a real simple install. And the cover goes right back on. Whoever previously owned the bike ground it out so the stock cover fits on. So if I choose to put it back on, we'll see. Hopefully everything goes good. I'm excited to ride it, so let's get out there. Okay, gas is on, choke is on. Feels all right. Definitely different. I just took it out for the first rip. Felt good. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about everything, but so far, so good. Without that flyweight wheel, holy crap. It actually is totally different bike. It's more like a two-stroke now. It's a little harder to handle, but also I've been riding my super minis, so this thing feels very powerful. Definitely getting a lot of splooge in between the pipes, but so far nothing really more than what you see there coming out of the silencer. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye on the jetting. It doesn't sound pingy or anything, so I still might not be too lean, but I'll have to check the plug and rework the jetting. Like I said, I'm running a 370 on the main jet, so with that JD needle in there for his recommendations. So got top end power now though, that's for sure. So let's get back out there. I'm gonna do a full loop all the way around and maybe give it a little more throttle this time.
Mm-hmm.
shit area. For sure. Oh yeah. He's standing on the seat going fast. The things you see here, I don't even want to tell you the truth, but yeah, my bike running great. I liked it, feeling good, getting more confident with the build and everything, that everything is, you know, going smooth, so that makes me very happy. But yeah, that's why we can't have nice riding spots, because people do shit like that. But whatever. 0.7, I almost rode it on an hour today, so that's not bad. But everything seemed good, so I'm pretty pumped about it. I'm worried about my jetting. I don't see any crazy splooge, but a little bit. But I don't have any really coming out of the silencer, so I might go up to the 380 jet and see how it feels. But yeah, bike's running good. I rode it at the end of the day. It was great weather. And yeah, I'm very happy with my work. It's my first top end I ever did myself, so I feel pretty accomplished. Just got to get my graphics on those plastics. I took the stock ones off to preserve them, so these came with the bike when I bought it used. All these plastics are, so I have all the originals, so I'm going to slap the Woody graphics I got on it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.